bank reconciliation statement. What is it and why do we have to prepare it? Sometimes there can be a difference between the balance that you get from your cash book and the balance that you see in the bank statement that you receive from your bank. There can be a number of reasons for this mismatch. First reason can be the timing difference, meaning things that you knew but your bank didn't. For example, you receive a 1000 rupees check from your friend. Now, being happy, you simply record this receipt in your bank account and increase your bank balance by 1000 rupees immediately. So when you go to deposit this check into your bank account, your bank would definitely take around 4 to 5 business days to credit this amount into your account. Hence, the bank does not increase your balance immediately. You will be able to see a difference between your cash book and the bank statement. Other reasons for this difference can be some of the things that the bank knew but you didn't. For example, the bank might just increase your bank balance by the amount of interest it gives you on your deposit, or it might deduct some bank charges for the services that it gives you, for example, debit card services. Or somebody might have directly deposited some money into your bank account and you did not know about it. The final reason can be some of the errors that might have been made on the part of the bank or on your part, because of which the differences arose. Now, the bank reconciliation statement acts as a bridge between your cash book and the bank statement to reconcile the differences that have come because of the reasons I just told you about. This helps us to ensure that any errors on the bank's part or on our part is completely resolved and to prevent cash embezzlement. Stay tuned for more such content.